Hello. Remember that I promised you 1,000 organic plants you can use in your poultry and livestock farming. And these videos have started loading. So make sure you are watching all our videos and make sure you subscribe to the both channels, both the Poultry Site TV and Dr. Leonard Charles Mogu. These two channels are the major channels where we post all these videos. So subscribe to both channels so that you get notified of all these videos that are uploading. These are 999 organic plants that you as a poultry farmer, some of them are grasses within your household that you don't even know. I'm going to tell you their medicinal and nutritional values in poultry and livestock farming. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you miss out from any of this. This will save you cost and at the same time maximize your profit. That money you always invest in buying medications, most of them are not even effective. Some of them you continue treating because organic plants can cure easily than synthetic, because once your poultry or livestock animals becomes antibiotic resistant, you hardly use any medication on them and it works. But organic can work because they are natural plants. You use the extract and take care of your poultry best. Right now, I have top 9 alternative poultry health boosters to save costs for you as a poultry farmer. Stop wasting money on expensive synthetic drugs. Discover these powerful organic alternatives to boost poultry health naturally. So, watch till the end. Let's get there. Are you a poultry farmer or a livestock farmer? Are you spending too much on synthetic drugs for your poultry and livestock animals? Natural remedies can save costs while improving birds' health and productivity. These 9 organic herbal boosters have powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral and immune boosting properties that help prevent and treat common poultry diseases. Watch this video to learn how to use them effectively for healthier, disease-free birds and high-profit ventures. In this video, we are going to watch 9 powerful natural plant health boosters, medicinal and nutritional benefits of each of these ingredients, diseases they can prevent or cure, how to use and correct dosage for poultry and livestock, cost-saving benefits and practical application of all these plants. Let's start with the medicinal and nutritional benefits and how to use each of them. Number 1 among them, you may have heard about it, is Azadirachta indica. That is neem seed. Neem seed. Medicinal benefits: antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It boosts immunity and gut health. It treats respiratory diseases and intestinal infections. Nutritional composition: it is rich in azathioprine. Azathioprine is a chemical, just like flavonoids and antioxidants. It contains essential fatty acids and proteins. How to use and dosage. For poultry, grind this neem seed into powder and mix 5 grams per kg of feed. Liquid form: soak seed in water for 24 hours and give 5 ml per liter of drinking water to your poultry beds. Second one is the pumpkin seed. Cucurbita pepeto, that is the botanical name. What are the medicinal benefits? Natural dewormer. It kills intestinal parasites. It boosts digestion and gut health. It improves egg quality and egg production in laying birds. What are the nutritional composition? It is very high in protein. It has omega-3 fatty acid and zinc. It contains cucurbitine and antiparasitic compounds. How to use and dosage. For poultry, crush and mix 5 to 10 grams per kg of feed and mix them together and dish out to your poultry beds. In liquid form, blend with water and add 10 ml per liter of drinking water. The next one is papaya seed. Carica papaya, pawpaw. Medicinal benefit: powerful natural anti-inflammatory, antiemetic, and dewormer in poultry and livestock animal. It improves digestion and boosts immunity. It helps prevent bacterial infections. Nutritional composition: it contains papain enzyme, alkaloid, and flavonoid. It is very high in antioxidants and fiber. How to use and dosage. Poultry, dry and grind the seed. Mix 5 grams per kg of feed in liquid form. Crush and soak in water for up to 24 hours. Use 5 ml per liter of water and dish out to your poultry birds. The next one is black walnut hull. That is Jonglans nigrae is the botanical name. The medicinal benefits: strong anti-parasitic and antifungal properties. It helps prevent coccidiosis and intestinal worms. It supports liver and digestive health. What are the nutritional composition? Very high in tannin, flavonoids, and jonglone. Contains omega-3 fatty acid and fiber. How to use and dosage. Poultry, powdered hulls. Mix 5 grams per kg of feed. Water form or liquid form. Steep hull in hot water. Use 5 ml per liter. This can be done for 3 to 5 days. The next one is thorn apple. Datura stramonium is the botanical name. But the medicinal benefits are: it is effective against respiratory issues. It controls intestinal parasites like mites and lice. It acts as natural stress reliever in poultry birds. What are the nutritional composition? It contains acronoid, astropine, and scopolamine. All these are strong chemicals they have. Very rich in essential oil and antioxidants. How to use and dosage. Leaves, that is the leaf of it. Dry the leaf and crush. Mix 2 grams per kg of feed in liquid form. Steep the leaves or blend the leaf after washing it, or you can either steep it or you blend it or you cook it in hot water and administer 5 ml per liter of water. Caution: use in small amounts to avoid toxicity because it contains some chemicals that can be harmful to a poultry bird. So the mild use is very important for this thorn apple. The next one is Calotropis leaves. Calotropis leaves is called Calotropis procari. That's the botanical name. Its benefit is: 1. It treats respiratory infections and pneumonia. It is effective against worm and parasites. It boosts immunity and response in poultry. What are the nutritional composition? It contains flavonoids and acronoids. It is very high in calcium and potassium. How to use? The leaves should be dried and grind. Mix 3 kg per kg of feed in juicy form, that's in liquid form. Extract the juice from the leaves. 5 ml per liter of water, 3 to 5 days. Number 7 is Moringa seed. Moringa oleifera is the botanical name. What are the medicinal benefits? They are natural immune boosters. They improve egg production and growth rate. They prevent bacteria and viral infections in poultry and livestock animals. What are the nutritional composition? Very high in protein. It contains vitamin A and vitamin C. It contains calcium and iron. It contains powerful antioxidants and antimicrobial agents. How to use and dosage. Grind and mix 5 to 10 kg per kg of feed. Then in water, a liquid form, blend with water and use 10 milligrams per liter of water. That's how you use it. The next one is number 8, cucumber seed. Cucumis sativus, that is the botanical name. The medicinal benefits are natural detoxifier for liver and kidneys, support digestion and gut health. It enhances hydration and cooling effect in hot weathers. That is, it helps to manage stress in poultry and livestock animals. What are the nutritional composition? Very high in water because it contains vitamin C and vitamin K. Contains anti-inflammatory compounds. How to use and dosage. Crush and mix 5 grams per kg of feed in liquid form. Blend and add 10 ml per liter of water, 3 to 5 days. You're going to see amazing results. The next one is cashew bark. Anacardium occidentale. That is the botanical name. They are effective against bacterial infections. They treat diarrhea and dysentery. They support gut health and digestions. What are the nutritional composition? They contain tannins, acronoids, and flavonoids. They are very rich in antioxidants and essential minerals. How to use and dosage. The bark should be washed thoroughly and grind into powder. Then mix 5 grams per kg of feed. The next one is you can boil the bark in water after washing it. Then give 10 ml per liter of water to your chickens 3 to 5 days. The next one is Fenugreek seed. The medicinal benefit: they boost immune system and digestion, improve egg laying and egg capacity. They improve egg laying capacity and hatchability in parent stock. Reduces heat stress in poultry. How to use and dosage: in powder form, mix 5 grams per kg of feed. In water form, soak in water overnight and use 10 ml per liter of water. Using organic health boosters like these plants I mentioned here can drastically reduce cost while keeping your poultry and livestock animals free from diseases and highly productive always. Have you tried any of these remedies before? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Share your experience in the comment section also. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more poultry farming secrets. If you're a poultry farmer, you have not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to hit the subscribe button and activate the bell notification. Please subscribe to all our channels. We have 2 major channels, Dr. Leonard Charles Nwogo and the Poultry Side TV. These are the 2 major channels, and we post different videos on each of them on daily basis. I post on daily basis on each of the channels so that you will not miss out from any of them. Subscribe to both channels so that once there is an update, the channel will notify you at once that there is a video uploaded. Thank you for watching. Till I come with another interesting loading very soon. That is 10 organic plants loading after this video. Don't go far. Make sure you watch it. Bye for now.